Hello guys, welcome to Adota Farm. In today's video we'll be talking about how many kids can a rabbit give birth to in a year or in a month. How many kids can a rabbit give birth to in a year? Apparently the gestation period of rabbit is 30 days, which is 1 month. So if a rabbit give birth to 1 month, then if you do not separate the female from the male, then there is a probability that that particular rabbit can still conceive or can still get pregnant and still give birth to again. So within a month or a year, rabbit can give birth to 12 liter per year, 12 liter per year. But if you decided to keep the female from the male, then in 1 month rabbit can give birth to 12 or 8. Those are the number of kids that the rabbit can give birth to. And it also depends on the breed of the rabbit. There are some breed of rabbit that give birth to 3 at their first time, while there are some that give birth to 12 or 8 at their first time. So whichever breed that you intended to raise or that you want to start with, then you must start with the best breed. Then you can see, before I started this video, you can see one rabbit giving birth to different bunnies, and they are up to like 24. I know a lot of you guys will be surprised at how can that particular rabbit give birth to 24 when I said in a year the rabbit can give birth to 12 years. It depends on the breed of that particular rabbit. There are some breed of rabbit that can give birth to that particular number, and like an example, on the Newland the New Zealand breed of rabbit can give birth to that particular amount. It's an hybrid, not a local breed. Although if you didn't have that money to buy this type of breed, you can buy the local breed and start with. Before I used to raise rabbits in this particular place I'm doing video right now, but I decided to stop it because I'm not getting the steps. So now I'm fully back to it and I want to start it back again because there are a lot of money to be made from rabbits. You can raise them for consumption purpose. Like after they reach maturity state, you can start selling them and making money from there. Another thing that you can make money, or another way that you can make money from this rabbit, is selling their urines. You can use their urine for different things, especially if you are giving them dry grass. They will keep on producing urine every day, and you can use that urine to do fertilizers or to do many things with it. Like the organic farmers use their urine a lot. I even have one of my friends that is doing it and is using the urine to make money, and he's even using that money to maintain the feeding. So you can give them any grass and they will consume them, especially the strider grass, which is their best which is their best grass they used to eat. So rabbit farming is a very lucrative business or a lucrative farm, and is kind of simple thing to start with. You can start with 2 rabbits, and before you know, they'll start multiplying and you'll become the owner of 20 or 40 rabbits. So I want to start it back again. I urge you guys to pick up that type of decision also. I want you guys to start rabbit farming. If you go to YouTube now, you'll be seeing a lot of videos concerning rabbits, different ways in which people are doing it now. So you can practice yours that, and at the end of it, you see that you are going to make results from the rabbit farming. Once again, please, if you are here to subscribe to Adota Farm, do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. In this particular channel, we talked about livestock generally, and we talked about crop farming. So if you want to ask any question, please do well to contact me, because at the end of the video I'll be dropping my contact list. Do well to contact me and I will help you, and I will assist you, or I'll be a consultant to you. And please don't forget, our goat farming investment platform is still going on. For people that are interested in goat farming, you can invest your money into our goat farming, and I will be sharing the percentage, will be sharing the kit. So you can reach out to me and I'll give you the timestamp condition. You download the PDF and you read about it. If you are okay by it, then you can start it. But if you are not okay by it, no problem. And if you want us to come and start up a goat farming for you, or a fish pond, or any type of agriculture, any type of livestock generally, or type of plant, please reach out to us and we'll come there and we'll give you the best thing that you need to know, and we'll teach you how you can do that particular farm. So please, if you haven't subscribed to Adota channel, turn the notification bell to be notified when next we drop a new videos for you guys. Please do and like this video and share. Bye for now.